Adding trek details. Now that you've created your trek path, you'll want to add a description for your visitors. What you put here will be the first thing they see when they find the trek inside the WishTrip app. It will help them decide whether or not to follow it, so you'll want to make the title and description appealing. Tip: try to make your title both descriptive and intriguing. Titles like Archaeological Highlights or The Big Cat Trail are good titles. Avoid titles like The Short Trail, as this doesn't say much about what visitors will actually see. Information about the length and difficulty of each trail are easily visible in any case. Use this space to describe what visitors will see and experience on this trek. Use this description to set expectations and attract people. Now, give your trail a difficulty rating. Of course, this is somewhat subjective, but it is important to be as accurate as possible, as incorrect expectations can lead to a negative experience. The Tags section lets you add more details about the trek and what people can expect. It includes accessibility information and what target groups the trek is suitable for, what seasons are recommended for this trek, and what features and facilities visitors can expect to find. Once you've completed this section, click Next to move on.